Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to solve the problem of exporting media file from Filmora. First step, open Filmora, go to import media files by clicking here. Choose the folder in which uh, you have the file. My file is on desktop. Okay, this is the video. Open it. Okay, right click on it, add to project. Okay, this is my file here in the timeline. Okay, I want to add some uh, filters. Okay, for example, choose okay, some filters. Okay, choose this title, for example. Okay, so when you edit the file, before this is the important thing. Before you click on export, go to the right here, just here. You find this button which is render timeline. Render timeline. This is important. This is important. You click on this button, render timeline. Okay. Now is rendering. This is the important thing before you export the file. In order to avoid the time, wasting your time. Okay. This is the important thing. Okay. Now we wait for the video to be rendered. Okay, now it's finished. Now we click on export and we will see how fast it is. Okay, now we click on export and we'll see how it goes. Now look at the quickness. Okay, it's fast, I think. Now we click on close and find the target. Thank you for watching.